How to block someone on Monopoly Go. So if you want to block someone on Monopoly Go, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to just search for your application, which is Monopoly Go, and open the application. Just wait for it to launch. Let me tell you one thing, that you won't be able to block someone on Monopoly Go because we don't have that option. But instead of blocking, what you can do is you can go with friends, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on friends, you will get this kind of interface. You can just simply go with your friends section, and from your friends section you can select the person and then you can remove them, and after that they will be removed and they won't be able to play with you. Or there is also another way, like if you've logged into your Monopoly Go through your Facebook, then what you can do is you can open up your Facebook, and after opening your Facebook you can search for that person and you can block that person on Facebook, and after blocking that person on Facebook, they won't be able to play with you on Monopoly Go. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.